Analysts say there's a ticking time bomb in housing. A big increase in the number of mortgage delinquencies looms as households renew into higher rates this year and next. The Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation says the proportion of households that have missed payments on their mortgage continued to rise in the second quarter of this year. And this uptick mirrors climbing delinquency rates for other types of debt.
So we would see that for credit cards, we would see that for auto loans, we would see that for lines of credit, for example. And we know that Canadians will always prioritize mortgage payments before, other debt payments or even other expenses. And so now what we're seeing is that mortgage delinquency rates have been increasing.
Now, it is important to note that mortgage delinquency rates plummeted to all-time lows in 2022, and they remain well below 2019 levels. But the country's National Housing Agency is expecting a sharp rise. The number of delinquencies and defaults may be limited by how much more the Bank of Canada cuts its benchmark interest rate and yields relief for variable debt.
The number one cost for a home is government. Government bureaucrats, government taxes. Getting rid of the GST on new home builds will stimulate 30,000 additional homes built every single year.
Housing affordability continues to be a national concern, and Conservative Party leader Pierre Poilievre, who is gearing up for an election, is calling on provincial and territorial leaders to axe the sales tax on new homes under $1 million. He, in turn, is pledging to drop the federal portion if he becomes Prime Minister. The Conservatives say the move would spur construction and reduce home ownership costs. Anne Gaviola, Global News, Toronto.